Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I'm going to shoot this over again because I was like badly out of frame on the previous one. So, got to keep everything right here in the middle. Long story short, I'm not turning this into a watch channel, but a lot of my viewers have asked me about the watches that I wear when I'm working on the cars mainly. So I thought I'd just do a little overview of the watches. This one, let's see, let's move those out of the way, keep this in frame. This is my Rolex. I got this in Hong Kong in about 1989, I want to say. It's called a Rolex Submariner. When I bought this, I was doing a lot of scuba diving, and this is a working watch. It's nowadays they cost stupid amounts of money and they're pieces of jewelry. But back when I bought this, it was a working man's watch. It was for diving, and this has about 200 dives on it, so still runs great. I would not dive with it now because it's 30 years old. I would get it refreshed or reconditioned, and then it'd be good to go. So that's the Rolex. I wear it a lot daily. Some people say you're crazy because it's worth so much money, but I don't care. It's a watch to me. I wear it every day. But now I've got a couple of new watches. Let's put that over there. This is a Luminox watch. They're known for military style watches. And I got this one because I wanted something lightweight. This is a plastic watch. And if you're working out at the gym, moving weights around, doing a spin, yoga, whatever you want to do, you don't want a heavy steel watch on your wrist. So I got this one. This is also sort of a diving watch. It's got a moving bezel, and this is good to 100 meters. The Rollie is good to 300 meters when it's in good condition. And I did update this watch with a what some people call a NATO band. It's a cloth band. It had a rubber one when it came with the watch, and I like this a lot better. It's very comfortable. If you have a sports type watch and you've never had a NATO band on there, try one. You'll love it. So that's the Luminox. The one I just got recently is this Seiko. It's in the style of the Flightmaster watches, and I figured since I do track and autocross my cars, I needed a chronometer, a stopwatch, basically. So this has got a stopwatch feature on it, and I really like the look of it. It has a tachymeter around the edge, which I'll probably never use, but it's a nice heavy watch, and I'm going to be wearing that when I go to racing events and I need to have a stopwatch to get a time on a competitor or such. So those are the three watches. Let's do a wrist check. They call a wrist check. Give you a close-up on the wrist. And I will have to probably have to hit the focus. Yeah, there, that came in pretty good. That's the Seiko. There's the Rolex. Yeah, there is the Luminox. So, there you go. Those are the watches that Froggy wears every day. All right, and I do think I kept that one in frame. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. And be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.